Hi everyone. Okay, just test the sound. Everything is okay. All right. Shall we just wait for 2 minutes? Okay, for everyone to tune in, and I will start the session shortly. By the way, how you guys doing so far? Okay, let me just pull out the trading view. Okay, so any one of you guys buy gold or sell gold? Okay, quick look on okay, so today we will practice together. Last 2 weeks ago, okay, I did the support and resistance part 1. So basically how to identify the key level correctly. If you miss it, today I'm gonna recap for you guys, and today gonna be part 2. So basically today I'm going just want to talk about how to draw a trend line and channel line. All right. Okay, so just 1 minute more. I will start soon. Any one of you guys just trade by only using like support and resistance combined with like, you know, maybe Fibonacci or RSI to trade? Okay. Okay, let me just have a quick look on the chart before we start. Okay, so just a recap. Okay, how many of you guys? Okay, shall we just start? All right, welcome everyone to IC Market webinar. So today I'm going to talk about advanced support and resistance part 2. Okay, and before I start the webinar, disclaimer, remember that everything in this video is educational in nature. Okay, nothing should be construed as investment or trade advice. If you guys want to trade, just please do your own due diligence with your trade. Okay. Risk warning: trading forex and CFD carry significant risk to your capital and is not suitable for all investors. Okay, so please come and join the webinar and learn together. Okay, so the agenda for today, I'm going to talk about what is trend line, what are channel line, how to use Ichimoku cloud combined with trend line and channel line, and I'm going to use major moving averages as well. Hey, good. Okay, someone said good morning to me. Okay, good evening to you. Okay, my time zone is like 5:34 p.m. Where are you from? Where are you tuning in from? You can let me know as well. Introducing your host today, my name is Peggy. Okay, I'm an investment analyst. I'm a prop trader as well. Okay, some of you guys should already know me by now. Okay, so a quick recap on like 2 weeks ago I did how to find key support and resistance. Okay, I just want to bring you guys to a recap first before I start like today's topic. Okay, how to identify the key level. I said that you just have to look like to the left to find like price either like rejected. You can see a lot of wick intersecting, or like you can see that price like from support become resistance or resistance become support, right? You have to identify the key level for dollar index. You can see that based on head-for time frame, these are I'm going to identify this one as the key resistance level, which is I will put first resistance level, meaning that if you want to look like the wick in the body, you should highlight the area of the resistance level, which is the area. Okay, and this is based on head-for time frame, right? So if you want to wait for confirmation, okay, by now you should know what I mean by confirmation, which is you need to go to the lower time frame, meaning that we want to see whether can we sell here. Okay, it is safe for us to sell here. Okay, if you want to go either M5 and 15, you will see that in the lower time frame you can see the rejection, wick, and what it look like. It look like the M pattern. is the sign of okay, price is going to reverse from this level, so we're going to sell here, right? Okay, this is my key level based on H4 time frame. So for the correlation, we already know that if dollar is falling, it's at the resistance level, EUR, USD, GBP USD or gold will be rising, meaning that if dollar is at the resistance level, EUR, GBP will be at the support level. That's why we buy gold or we buy the EU, right? If you want to identify the key level correctly, this is how I identify the key level based on H4 time frame. So I refer to where? I refer to here. Why I pick here for the support level? You will see that even though this is not very nice, right? It is not very nice, but you can see that price come rejected, right? You can see the wick and price come back here again. So I want to see, is this price going to bounce from this level? Okay. One is I pull up my RSI, right? I see that there is a divergence here. Okay, but what is about the lower time frame? You want to go to the lower time frame. What we're going to see here, right? Price coming one time, bounce up again, coming back here based on M15. The M15 is very clearly that you can see the price action and you can see the rejection over here, and then you know that okay, we safe to buy from the support level because dollar also come from the resistance level. This is how we trade with correlation. Hey Ajay, hey, nice to see you here. Cotus, hello, how are you? Nice to see you. Okay, how you guys doing so far? I hope every one of you guys like earn like the money from either gold or other pair. Okay, just keep it very basic, right? You can see that if you identify the key level correctly, I always mention that you just trade, you know, key level, go to the lower time frame, wait for confirmation, and then you either buy or sell. Any one of you guys buy EUR USD, okay, from here you earn like at this scalping 29 pip or 30 pip for the EU. Okay, this is how we identify the key support and resistance. And 2 weeks ago I mentioned that let's say we identify the key level. Okay, I always draw based on H4 time frame. Okay, you can draw based on H1, it's up to you guys. Okay, and let's say we identify the key level already. Okay, you can use Fibonacci level to see that whether this level that you identify is a significant key level from the swing low to the swing high, which is here. What you could see here, okay, based on Fibonacci level, I may just highlight the zone. This is my support level because there is 78.6% Fibonacci level. So this is my support level here. Okay, what about the resistance from the swing high to swing low here? You can see that first resistance is line up or close to 23.6%. In this case, I just leave at only 23.6% for my resistance level. Okay. Again, find the key level first and use Fibonacci. Okay, not you draw level already and then you say that okay, it seems like my second resistance is not line up with 38.2, and then you may adjust to this. Yeah, it might can come here, it could come up here, but the level I reference here, because you can see the price just, you know, go up to this level. You can leave 38.2% is your choice. You can just leave it like that, meaning that if price break above 38 like second resistance, price may like, you know, reverse at this level. Okay, you can just either keep this level and then you see whether price will fall from like second resistance or fall from 38.2%. But the key thing is that if price approaching or nearing resistance level, you need to go to the lower time frame to see the confirmation. Okay, like for the EU, able to see, it seems like, yeah, we see that there is a divergence here, but it seems like price is just in the lower time frame. They cannot go above, I mean, they cannot go above the M15 like resistance level. That's why they're falling. So if you just happy with the profit, okay, like 30 pip, right, from here to here. Let's just say 30 pip, you may close. Price may fall again to this level and bounce, okay, and bounce from that level, because you will look for the M15. What you look like? M neckline, pull back, right? Now this is the another entry for the buy entry for the EU if they fall here, which is if I want to buy here, okay, somewhere near to 61.8%, our golden level, right, golden zone. This is my kind of like buy zone. Again, if price falling to this level, but if not, price is not falling all the way straight, that's gonna be the next resistance level is here, which is right here, because that will be the, I saw like that bullish divergence over here. Okay, what about gold? Will you buy here just now? If you know how to identify the level, you will buy gold at this level. Why? Okay, this is my support level. Why I identify this is my support level? And yesterday, okay, remember yesterday, if you were to practice how to identify the key level, you will get the sell entry over here. One is that even though, okay, I identify based on the the body here, okay, and this is my resistance zone, which is first resistance, okay, but I will sell at like extension 127, meaning that I draw from H1 time frame. Where is my starting point? It's here, meaning that one price break above my high, break above this like starting point 100%, okay, the next key level, even though I put like 26, like this level for my first resistance, 67, right, above here, just slightly below, I saw there is an extension 127, and the upper one I have 161.8, so I leave it like that, and then I highlight the zone here. So one price come here to this 127, either you can go to the lower time frame, you will see the rejection or rejected right there, right. When is a H1 close over here, you will see there is a divergence, right, you will see there a divergence here. Okay, so I know that I'm going to sell here, I'm going to sell because price cannot close above my extension, even though it's slightly, it's just about 10 pip away for the first resistance. Okay, I sell here. When you sell, you see that one in the H4 time frame close, they close with the price action, and you also see here that in H4 time frame, you will see that also has the bearish divergence here. Okay, so now I combine my key resistance with my extension or with Fibonacci level. Okay, you sell here, and you can see the price all the way falling to our support level. Why it is I identify this is my support level? You know, if you know how to trade demand and supply, you know that this is our demand zone here, right? These are my demand zone here, and this one, okay, I explain again. This one is used to be based on H4 time frame. This used to be our support level, right? You can see that rejection, price break below. Okay, now pull back time frame. What you're gonna see here? M15. Okay, you can look at M5. M5 there is no divergence, right? But what you can see here, based on M5 price ending with what? This is your bearish engulfing, right? Your bullish engulfing here. And then you can see that this you can refer by using the eyesight price already also here. And this is our key level based on H4 time frame. So you have to keep in mind that this is our first support in H4. But we just have to, we want to go down to the lower time frame to see like confirmation whether price had the rejection over here. This is what this my M1. What I can see in M1, price could not go below, right? Zoom to see, it look like what it look like, right? Look like a W. You see the M1. Okay, then you can see that oh, you're gonna buy from this level. Even though like price go up here falling, you can see the candle close below, and then we can buy from this level. Okay, where is that? It's here. It's here. What about M30? Okay, this is how M30 look like, right? And then it seems like price cannot go cannot close above M15 resistance level. Okay, and yesterday, let's say yesterday you missed the entry for the first resistance. Let's say price falling and you miss, right? If you miss, I have to enter here. Why I enter here? If you know head and shoulder, okay, if you just trade by using head and shoulder, it's just like, I think I consider this my left shoulder, head, and this is my right shoulder. Okay, so when price pull back up again, you sell here, and then you all the way here to your like support level. You can see that when price come to the support level based on H4 time frame, which here you can see the rejection. You can just close the TP over here. Okay, and after that, this one you want to trade, up to you if you have like a scalping strategy. But price falling down again to here for the support level, you can buy up, and I think it's more than 100 pip from, let's just say 2640 to all the way 26, yeah, about 150 pip. Okay, that's it. Like price falling, you made the entry here, price all the way down. It's just the nature of the chart that they were falling and then bounce off, continue to go down. Price pull back up again, you can sell here. This is my left, my head, and my right shoulder. Okay, you get what I mean? Like it just look like that. Falling, left, coming, go down again. Okay, so I don't know how to say. I just like to keep things basic. Like I know I study like so many strategy, but if you just know how to identify the key level correctly, you just can trade. You can just use like my strategy, go to the higher time frame, identify the key level. You can then you go to the lower time frame to find the entry. Okay, for currency pair, you can just aim for at least 20 to 30 pip per day. That is really easy. Okay, you can see that. You can use like correlation with dollar as well. We already know that 90 to 95% dollar has negative correlation with EU, GU, and gold, right? You can see that dollar is falling, gold is rising, but it's really rare case that you will see like dollar and gold has positive correlation. It's very rare, but you can see, I think like last month, like dollar is rising, gold also rising. That is very rare, like maybe 10%. Okay, you will see 10% of that. Any questions so far, guys? Just go and practice. Okay, you can trade, make your life very easy. Okay, now go back to our slide based on the trend line. What is the trend line? Okay, trend line is just a straight line. We already know that, just straight line like that. Okay, to help us visualize the general direction of price movement over a specific time, and also it serves as a key technical analysis tool to identify trend in the financial market. Either price has trend line have two types of the trend line, either uptrend or downtrend. Okay, so either uptrend or downtrend like that. Okay, how you're going to draw the trend line? Okay, like just here, like I just mentioned. Let me just go to another okay, the trend line, there will be two trend line, which is uptrend, meaning that to me the valid trend line. Okay, when the price hits the support or resistance, do you buy or sell according to the trend? When the price start and move upward or downward, i.e. at the top, that make the low bottom or on the rise, or the or the bottom that make a lower top and down. When is the logic? Oh, okay, my strategy is that, okay, now trust me, if you know how to identify, you will like trade, like make your life very easy. First, let's just say if I were to look, I might want to refer to daily, but I'm not a swing trader. I'm more to a day trade, meaning I try to close my trade within a day. Okay, the higher time frame that I go, maybe daily, I just want to see like daily candle. Like yesterday, price is closing with red or green, or whether like daily time frame price already at like support level in daily time frame or not. I just want to see, oh okay, so based on what I see, based on daily time frame, I'm going to sell EU. Okay, I'm going to sell EU. Why? Because daily time frame, what you can see is forming the M pattern, right? This is gonna be there, you go high. Okay, M pattern either side of price reversal here. This is gonna be the resistance level based on daily time frame, right? I just want to see like that. I want to see. Then I go to the lower time frame based on head 4, because head 4 within the day is actionable, right? Okay, if you want to draw daily time frame, you want to sell, how many days price will reach this level? It will take time, right? Or how many days price will come to your support level over here? It will take time to come. So higher time frame, we just want to see the market direction, like daily time frame, right? Just see the market direction. We see that okay, we're gonna sell EU, but in head 4 time frame, actionable within the day. Okay, what I can see, even though here I still identify I was waiting 2 years for price to pull back, but price did not pull back. Let's say you just refer here, you will meet the entry by this. But if you just go all the way to the left, okay, you might see that okay, slightly before your first resistance over here. Let me delete. Okay, like okay, this is gonna be pullback resistance level. Okay, here is your another reason. Even though this one is not very nice, but sometimes price did not come like so nice like that, right? Okay, you need to practice. Okay, let's say here price come here and look at head 4 time frame as well. You know that this really like, let's just say it go high, price is falling. Okay, you can see it all the way down. Market structure, you can see the price make a lower high, right? All the way down. But in the lower time frame, price did not like falling all straight line like that, right? It just had gonna go up, go down, go up, go down. So let's say you buy EU, but we're not going to buy EU and then you like hold all the way to the top here. Why? Because refer to the higher time frame, this is still bearish, right? You can see that it's a reversal pattern already, M pattern. So in the lower time frame, we're going to close at the resistance level, because we're going to sell EU based on the higher time frame. But if you don't want to trade against the trend is your friend, yes, correct. And then you just wait when price go to the resistance level and then you sell. Okay, but I buy here, there might be the reason why I buy at this level. Okay, for example, it's just like this way. Here, right? Let's just say here I identify at my first support, right? But my first support, I do highlight the wick here. You can see the wick here. I will combine with, not only I take purely based on support and resistance. Okay, that will be another confirmation I use. What you can see below here, 78.6%, so I leave it like that. Okay, so one price come to the zone, this is EUR based head 4 time frame here. I will pull out the I side because I want to see, it seems I know there is a divergence here, right? Bullish divergence. Okay, I'm going to buy here, but I'm not going to like hold all the way up to this level. I'm happy with the profit, even like 20 pip or 30 pip, I just close. Okay, or if you want to hold, you just set your trailing stop loss. Like I say, one price come to your zone. Okay, it is safe for you to buy here. Go to the lower time frame. We want to see the confirmation. You already see the confirmation. You can M15. What do you see? One price come here, go back up again. Let's say you trade here, you buy here. Okay, and then price is rising. It's only how many pip? Let's just say 20 pip, and then you did not close, and then price is falling again, and then you frustrated or you feel angry with yourself. You will say like, why I don't, one price come up here, why I don't close? Don't have that kind of mindset. Just keep in mind is that this is your support level. Let's say if really price is falling and then hit your stop loss here, that is okay, but try to hold your trade, and then you monitor again. Okay, one price falling back up again here, you see the M15 price have the rejected, right? Rejection, the wick here, price could not close below your support level be either stop loss, right here. And then you can see your price action. You can refer to the dollar as well. You will look at the dollar just now. Dollar is where? Dollar at your, you can see that key level, this is your resistance level. It's very beautiful M pattern over here, right? And then you have a confidence to hold your trade. You can see that very beautiful here. Okay, but of course it's not 100% you will get like or like hit TP or win the 100%, but I could say that like 90 to 95% win rate if you just do what I'm saying, like, you know, identify the key level, go to the lower time frame to get the confirmation. You could combine with divergent, which is RSI. I only trade the divergent, I'm using the RSI. Okay, others there would be a trader that are using like MACD to identify the divergence or stochastic. Okay, but I'm using only RSI to trade the divergence. And then you can see that, okay, it's safe for you to buy here. You can see that 30 pip is very easy. Okay, any question? Now back to the trend line. Okay, remove here. Okay, for to me the valid trend line, there will be 3 touches, meaning that how to draw the trend line based on, I just go to the higher time frame. Okay, either you say that the bullish trend line, there will be 3 touches, meaning that 1, 2, and 3. So this is my valid trend line. This is my very valid trend line here. You can see that this is 1 touches, 2, 3, more than 3. This is my valid trend line. Either you want to draw to the wick, here. You'll see that price is break below. Okay, you can see that break below. You know that from uptrend now they're changing to downtrend. Why? Very easy to see that price, like, you know, make a higher high, higher low, right? From up to here, what do you see based on EU? Price could not make the higher high. These are the resistance level, right? Here. Okay, based on the wick. And then if you don't want to refer too high, too far, you can see that they make an equal high. Where is the high? The high, the wick is here. It's here. Price could not close above this. Go to the left, you see that, okay, the higher wick is here, right? Here, price could not close above, rejected. This is just either you call a breakout. You just say you will identify, but if I were to identify, this is going to be my resistance level based on the wick and the body. This is my resistance. Okay, let's say you draw like that. Okay, this is your trend line, ascending trend line or uptrend. Okay, red, I change to green. Oh, correct, trend line here. Okay, let's say you want to sell here. I already see there is divergence here, guys. Do you see there is a divergence here? With a H4 bullish divergence. If you cannot see, you double click your RSI, you will see your divergence here. There is a one confirmation. Okay, now what if I go to M15? What do you see in M15? Zoom. You can see price is falling, go back up again. Okay, meaning that they cannot make a higher high, they make a lower high, right? What about your M5? You can M5 also look like M pattern. M pattern doesn't mean like equal high, doesn't have to be like what exact. It could be slightly low like that, or could be just like, you know, the same like equal high. But here, what do you see? That price could not make a higher high. These are the wick. They make a lower high here, right? Even though, let's say within our resistance zone here, you want to trade, if the body doesn't close above this, like the square box here, you can sell. You guys still can see. I don't know why it's always here. Okay, like here. Okay, this divergence here, right? Back here, remember? And M15 also have like the side like that. Okay, and now You can see that if you want to see like that in the lower time, lower time frame, you should sell EU like yesterday or when, like 30th of September, or like here, you sell all the way up. Either then in the higher time frame, there will be ascending trend line here, right? You can see that either here you can identify as your take profit, okay, and then you can see that based on, let's just look to M. You see in the M15 price is already break below, so meaning that you wait for price to pull back, right, and then you're going to like sell. Okay, you can see that you're gonna sell, right? Why we sell? We sell based on a higher time frame, right? Because one is what, price break below the ascending trend line in the higher time frame. Here there is a bearish divergence in H4. So if you see the divergence in the higher time frame, H1, H4 or daily, you just hold your trade. Price will falling to that support level in the higher time frame. Okay, you can see that. And then price is now, you know that it's changing from uptrend to downtrend. And then you can just change, this is the red color, meaning the price will pull back here. You will see the pullback here in M15 like just now. You can see that. You can see that M15 price close below here, and this is also the support level in the lower time frame. It's gonna be like support level here. Okay, but we get the entries in here because price have the divergence H4 falling, break below the ascending trend line. Okay, you can see that this is my significant trend line. Price break below, pull back. Okay, and then you have another entry for the sell. Maybe first entry here, second entry here, and then you hold. Okay, because we trade with the divergence as well. Any question, guys? So far, okay. So far, okay. Okay, this is trend line, and for the bearish trend line, you need to connect. You need to draw from the bottom, from the upper of the candle here. This is your trend line. Okay, you will get this one because you see the direction. We already see that price is bearish, lower low, lower high, right? Break above. One price break above. Okay, if you want to wait for price to come here, you will miss the entry because this is very strong strong bullish, right? You can see because of this candle H4, you can see that you might get the entry here if you go to the lower time frame based on H4. Okay, this is a support level. I could identify this my resistance. Let me just go here. Okay, this is gonna be my support level. You could just say this is my support level. You might get the buy entry here. I think that's divergence. Do you see divergence? There's a lot of divergence for you guys to trade. You see the divergence here. Okay, go to the low time frame. Let's say I'm at over here. I see that, okay, price come from my support level here. I saw that divergence here, even though I identify this my support level. Let's just say my support level here. I put the trend line over here. Okay, but go to M15 or M5 in the lower time frame, price just ranging. Okay, and suddenly just ranging here. The lower is here, going up, going down, it's just ranging. Okay, you go to the lower time frame, try not to panic. You will say that, oh, price break below, you can see the rejected from the support become resistance. No, because you need to go to the higher time frame and see in H1 time frame, price is just ranging here, right? Just ranging over here. Okay, you need to tell yourself is that there is a divergence here based on H4, so you need to wait either H4 time frame. If price cannot close above this candle, cannot close above for resistance, meaning the price is going to continue to fall. Okay, let's just see. This is M15, M30, and then you can see the price going back, going down. Do you see the price action is here? And M15, M30, sorry, you see price just ranging. Okay, and then after that, price break above, pull back. You can see a pull back here. The trend line, they just continue to see. And boom, pull back, boom, and then I think that should be a news, right? This one it should be a Friday. It is a Friday. So if you break above this one and then boom, TP, then this should be a non-farm payroll. Yeah, 2:30 is my time zone, okay? And then you can see that one price break above here, and then either you change the color to the green, okay, and then or you just remove it. Okay, so my valid trend line have to be 3 touches, not 2. Have to be 2, have to be 3, like that. Because why? If you were to draw the trend line based on only like connecting 2, okay, let's say, I always say that, let's say you draw the trend line based on 2 dots, your chart will be have like, so let's just say this is another, for example, okay, let's say this is your trend line you draw. For example, you draw 2, you connected 2, for example, this is 2, right? This is not connected, you go all the way here, for example. Okay, you draw trend line like that. Okay, and then price come back here again, you have another, or maybe price you can draw for maybe here to here, like price come here, like in your chart they got so many trend line. You get what I mean? So at least 3 touches, not 2, right? Okay, that's your valid trend line. Continue. Okay, I think trend line I already said that you need to draw from the bottom of the chart. Okay, this is your trend line. I think trend line meaning price make a higher high, higher low, right? Trend line here. Okay, so might be at least 3 touches or 3 times. Okay, this very trend line 1, 2, and 3. You can see the wick, and the wick. Okay, and market structure. You can see that higher high, higher low. Okay, this one as well. Descending trend line or downtrend. Price make, is it price make lower low, lower high? You need to draw on the top of the price above. Okay, 3 touches. Okay, at least 3 touches, at least, not 2, but at least to be 3. But doesn't need to be like consecutive. Okay, could be like 3 touches, could be either one here, another one here, and then another one over there. Okay, what is fifth entry for short? What do you mean? To sell, let's say you identify the key level, and any Fibonacci level you can buy or sell. Okay, if price on uptrend, the Fibonacci will acting at the support level, right? If price on uptrend, meaning a price make a higher high, higher low, right? Based on head 4 time frame over here, let's just say where your high, the high here, your low is here. You could just maybe refer to here as well, it's okay. From the swing low to the swing high. Okay, for Fibonacci retracement, in this case, all the Fibonacci level here is acting at the support level. Okay, but not every Fibonacci level you can buy. In this case, you need to find the Fibonacci level that closest to your key level. In this case, if I were to identify base here, I will just put this my support level, okay, at the body, and then I might identify the wick here. This is my support level. Okay, this I'm not going to identify this my like support level here. You know why? It's just like slightly bounce and then continue to break, because you look at your left, there is nothing here, there is nothing here. So we're not going to use like 23.6 as your support level. I just use 38.2. Why? This used to be resistance, right? You can see price falling, break above, now it pull back, become the support. Let's just see. Like I always say, identify the key level first. You can see that price bounce. How many pip? Let's just say 94 pip. Easy. So identify the key level first, and then you draw Fibonacci. In this case, uptrend, they acting at the support level. If price is downtrend, okay, they will act at resistance level. In this case, here. Where I draw? Let's just say like over here. Okay, let's just say over here. We already see that the wick 3 left price on downtrend make a lower low, lower high, right? and our swing high here, the low here. Okay, you pull Fibonacci. In this case, they are acting at the resistance level. Where is my resistance? This is gonna be my resistance level. Okay, but do you look at the wick? And above there is this is my zone for the resistance zone. I change to the green color. Let's just say we identify this one. I forgot video private. Let's just say this one. Okay, my next resistance is here. Second resistance, I have another close to my this one. Let's just see. I just leave it like that. Okay, make my chart cleaner. Okay, then you just see whether price will reject. Oh, the falling. You can see that. Falling, right? You can see that. Why? It is falling. How many pip? They just say at the body you put 74 pip or 70 pip. That's it. This is head 4 time frame, okay? If you want to see like look so short, no, this is a head 4 time frame. If you just measure from here to at the week 74 pip. Let's just continue to see. Boom. Go back up again. I believe there will be divergence here. You see? There will be divergence here. Then you have another entry. With price falling here, you're happy with the profit. Price back up again, you're going to sell here. You're going to sell here because head 4 time frame close, you see divergence, then you can have another entry right here. And then you hold. Okay? You can see that you are 61.8%, you are very strong key level. And then you're falling all the way where your support level is here. It is safe here, gonna buy here, and then you have to measure again. You look where now we're going to draw fibonacci from this swing high to the swing low, because why? They are acting at the support level, right? You can see that rejected at 61.8%, right? You can see here. It's safe to buy here. Go to the lower time frame. M15 rejected here. What about M5? Okay, M5 rejected here. Okay, we can buy, right? Spike come here, you can buy this over so also. Just let's say. And this our H4 somewhere around here is 61.8%. Okay, and then you can see rejected, right? H1, go to H1 and see. Let's just continue. You mean that price break below, now it's going to become your resistance level. Now one price break below is going to become your resistance level. And then you can see that, right? I stop here. Price pull back here. Okay, it may not, you can see. If you were to wait here, you will meet entry. You can see your price action here. And then you can find the entry again. Okay, it's so on and go on like that. Any question? Okay, trend line, this is the correct one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. One price come here, you can see the wick here. Okay. Okay, how many times must the price hit some support or resistance to consider that we are in a channel or range? What is the buy or sell signal in a channel or range? Where is the take profit and stop loss places? Okay. If you want to trade with the channel line, I don't trade with the channel line, okay? To me, I keep things really simple, okay? Trend line or channel line is just that help you to identify trend, basically, okay? I don't trade like if price his upper channel line or his lower channel, I will buy or sell, no, okay? If I want to trade like that, I need to combine. Of course, you need to identify the key level first. Most of the time, let's say if I were to identify here, if you just this is your trend line, right? This I draw the wick. This is your valid trend line. You know the price on uptrend. Okay. I just look at market structure. I know that price will bounce from this level. It might like continue to bounce, or like over here. I will just see that there is a divergence here, bullish divergence here. Okay. And then you can hold like price break above this. I just say here. Most of the time, if you draw the bearish or bullish channel line, or your uptrend or downtrend, or ascending or descending trend line, if price at the trend line, you will see the rejection. Of course, that will be the key level as well. Okay, you cannot trade only purely based on only trend line or channel line. Might have other indicator or confirmation, and then you can trade. For example, here, okay, I draw this my trend line, but you look at the I side. I side is where it's almost at like 50%. Okay, and then okay, this is my resistance level. If I want to see like that, okay, when it hit 4, if I want to buy, I might close, then I wait, because price is just ranging here, right? I'm not going to trade if I want to see price like that, H4 time frame. Okay, or this gonna look like in H1. Okay, it will just look like that in the triangle, right? I'm not going to trade. Either I buy here, I just close happy with the profit. You want to buy from here, it's already more than 50 pip. I just don't trade, because you will know that this is your triangle. Then you need to wait. Either price will gonna break above. Now you know the price break above, right? Break above and falling, hit your resistance level, then gonna be your TP. One price hits your TP, and then you're gonna see whether you're going to sell here. Is it safe to sell over here? You can go to the lower time frame. I think that is new. They just mentioned. Let's just see. Okay, rejected. And then you want to see like that, you're going to buy or sell. You go to the higher time frame. Okay, if you want to sell here, sell SL. Okay, asking about the SL. If I were to go like that, my SL just slightly above the wick. I cannot tell you how many pips. It depends on your lot size and depend on your capital. Okay, if you have the bigger lot size, you should have really tight stop loss. Okay, because if you hit stop loss, you will probably go up another resistance level, and then you can just have another entry. But let's say I have really like my lot size is small, and then I have my management, I can hold. I can even hold to like next resistance level. Okay, but I, of course, definitely I'm not going to put my stop loss there, because I only pay like from first resistance to like support level, or like not going to like sell first resistance, my stop loss above second resistance. No, that is too far, because I trade based on head 4. But I go to the lower time frame. I want to have the tight stop loss. I want to see the confirmation. If I were to sell here, my stop loss just put slightly above that resistance level based on M15, could be just above this one. Like I don't want to put so many pips. Actually put here. Okay, and then I'll see whether price will reverse from this level. And then falling, right? This is how I trade. If okay, M15, you can look to the left. What your left here, slightly over there. You can put slightly above here, but you can see when I put here, I already know that there's a divergence here, bearish divergence here, right? Bearish divergence here. Even though I identify this, my head 4 time frame is the resistance level, like that. My resistance level, where you don't forget the wick. Your wick is here, right? If I were to pull Fibo from my swing high to the swing low here, that would be 38 maybe. You can see that slightly 38, yeah, 38.2%, and there's a wick here. So you can see that you can sell here, right? That's it. Okay, we go to the lower time frame because we want to have a tight stop loss where to place the entry. Because if you go to the head 4 time frame, you want to put above here or slightly above like that, that will be quite a few pips. Okay, head 4 time frame, you always wait at head 4. You don't know what is going on in the lower time frame, because we want to see the confirmation. Okay, I consider myself a conservative trader, so I want to see confirmation and then I sell. But if you are aggressive or you don't have time, you can just put your pending order, and then you put your stop loss above your resistance level based on head 4 also can. Okay, because if you guys working full time, you can just set your pending order here, and then you set stop loss above extension. You can see within my resistance level, I have a 127 here. Extension here, you can put your stop loss above 161.8 or just above 127. Okay, just practice. Okay. Okay, any question, guys? You can ask me. Okay, because if you watch the recorded, right, you have a question you cannot ask. Okay. Okay, let's continue to our slide. Just try to finish it. Okay, trend line. Okay, remember that 1, 2 is also acting at the resistance level. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Over here, you will look rejection. It look like M pattern, reversal pattern, chart pattern here. Okay. I have a question. Is this a valid trend line, guys? Any one of you? Is this a valid trend line? Got 1, 2, and 3. The question is no. This is not. This is incorrect. The trend line you need to draw from the top of the price here for the valid trend line. Okay, because the valid trend line is acting at the roof, right? Try to push the price down. These are wrong. Okay, these are bearish draw like that, bullish draw from below. Okay, channel line. Okay, channel line, we already know that ascending channel line and descending channel line is just like unit space price channel. Okay, like that. So drawing the channel line just have to be only two touches from the top and the bottom. Okay, doesn't have to be consecutive. Okay, have to be like 1, 2, 1, 2, and then you draw. Okay, like 1, 2, 3, 4. At least 2 from the top and 2 from the below, and then you draw the channel line. Okay, usually I don't draw because if you trade by long enough, you will know that price is an uptrend because they make higher high, higher low, right? This is a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high within the channel line here. Okay, if you want to play like reversal, for example, when price come to the channel line, you will see like rejection. I see there might be a divergence here. Okay, you can see that there might be a divergence, or you see that there is a price action over here. This is your price action, right? Okay, then somehow here it might be your resistance level. You can combine with how many resistance level, rejection, price action, divergence you can sell. Okay, so don't purely trade only like a trend line or channel line. All right. If you want to continue or pay a bounce or reversal, like I say, you would see if you trade with Ichimoku cloud, you see that whether price respecting the any trend line, any key support and resistance level, or price is near to the key level of Fibonacci. Either you use retracement, extension, projection, or expansion. Okay, and you also can see whether where is the next key level it might go to. Let's say if like you draw like channel line or trend line, right? You look where is the next level. Okay, you need to wait for price like close to the key level, and then either you buy or sell. Okay, and you can use Fibonacci like I just mentioned, like you draw. Okay, like for example here, you draw 1, 2 channel line, and then you will see that rejected here, and then you can see this is a support level. This is support level, right? You can see the rejection, and then you can see that price action also over here. Okay, another one within. What do you see here? I cannot stop here, but I can draw for you that this is the, you can see that resistance level, right? Like over here, your resistance level. That's why you can sell from this channel line. Okay, I pause here for a while. You guys have any question? or any pair you guys want me to have a look for you. I highlight the key level. Okay, let me continue. Okay, breakout, we already say pray for breakout. You can use for a breakout, but to me, I personally don't trade with buy stop or sell stop. I like to wait for price to pull back. Okay, the breakout one, you can like this is the breakout. You can see that this is your resistance right now. You can put buy stop, but to me, I like to wait for price to pull back. From the resistance, it becomes support. I like to wait for price to pull back, and then I will buy. Okay, and this one as well. This is a weekly time frame. You can see that, okay, Ichimoku cloud price already below Ichimoku cloud. This is your channel line here, and this your ascending trend line, right? I seem like price break below. You can wait for price to pull back, and then you sell. Okay, you can see that pull back, and then you can sell, right? You can see that, and we can use this as your extension from starting point, our extension here. When price pull back, our TP is here, okay, at this level. Price break below the bullish channel line, pull back, and then you sell. Okay, you can see that your TP. Sell here, and this is your TP. Okay. Any question, guys? No? Okay. That will be end for today. Finish. Just finish, guys. Okay. Any? Shall we just look at our key level before I end the webinars? Okay. Let me move. Okay. Now let me just identify the goal for you guys. Let's just highlight the key level for gold. Oh, lovely. Price is rising. Okay, gold somehow is just ranging. They haven't go anywhere. So I trade gold if I see the confirmation. Okay, this one still could be my first resistance. I could highlight the wick. Okay, and this is gonna be first. This is gonna be my second resistance, which is just all-time high, which also swing high. Okay, my support level is here. Price already went up. My first support. My second support is right here. This is my second support. Okay, the H4 time frame. It's gonna be. I will just refer to just leave here. Just put 50. Sometimes if the market structure not very nice, you don't trade. You can trade another pair. Okay. Okay. The next key level, I still wait at here, but like price did not come, so they just rejected here. So we just highlight this another key level like 2607. Okay. I can use extension if price break above my swing high here. The next target that will be, you can do the second resistance here is like up with what your extension, so we can use the kind of level. So meaning that if price come here, you see confirmation, you can sell. So now there is no entry for gold based on H4 time frame. Okay, so don't trade. We can trade another pair. Okay, okay, EU, you can see that like no volume, it just continue to fall. I don't know whether they're going to go up, but it's already done for the EU today for me. Let's highlight the key level. Again, this is gonna be my first resistance. Okay, wait to sell here, wait to buy here, because I think that will have Fibonacci confidence level. There will be 78.6. I know because I already do the and then there will be extension 161.8. so you can see where so where to buy here for EU. They have extension 161.8 and 78.6% fee. Okay, so where to buy here? This is your buy entry. Okay, we will target, don't look so far, this is gonna be your first resistance or gonna be your somehow your TP. Okay, I refer to the wick here, and the second resistance is right here. Okay, just put at the body, put at the body here. All right, the next key level I refer is here. I think I will just put here. It's a bit so close, so you can just monitor. Okay, the thing is not very nice, but okay, I just leave it here for the gain support. So like every day I will identify the key level again, like every morning on the Asian time. Okay, this is the level. All right, very good info, Peggy, and I will wait very quickly. Thank you very much. Is IC just no, the VP room is not active anymore. Yeah, all right, okay, see you guys next time. Thank you so much, have a good day. Okay, what is that? I need to, like, you will see me on every Tuesday. Okay, I think Monday you will see probably like Kaden for live trading section. Okay, okay guys, bye bye, bye for now. Okay, happy trading, see you again next week. Bye.